How to install N8N on Hostinger. First, go to Hostinger website and choose your plan. Select location for your new VPS. Next step, let's just search for N8N template. Select it. Let's create random root password for your VPS and press continue. Click Finish Setup. Then click on Manage App. Enter email, first name, last name, and password. Then click on Skip. That's it. To import template, click here. It takes you to over 1,000 templates which are ready to use. Once you find the template you want to use, it has a really cool feature that allows you to use this template immediately. Just press the Use Workflow button. That's it. Thanks for watching.